Hello everyone, this is Vivek and you're watching Rotten Mac. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to write your Python codes and execute the same in Ubuntu latest version, which is Focal Fossa 20.04. Okay, so as you may be aware that there are two Python versions, which is Python 2 and Python 3, and the latest one is Python 3, which has some major changes in regards with Python 2. Okay, so for this you can, and from the next video we will learn how to code Python programmings in Ubuntu. Well, you can use any operating system of your choice, either Windows or Ubuntu or any Mac OS. Okay, so first of all we'll start with our Python file. We'll go to our files and then we'll go to our documents, and here I am going to create a folder by the name of Python. Okay, you can name it as anything you want. I will name it as Python. Okay, so I will open my terminal, and one thing is that with the latest Ubuntu operating system is that when you will right click you won't get this new document option. So for this what we'll do is, in our home page and in our this templates we will create one empty document. And how we are going to create this one so that we can get option of this right click new document in every folder. So what we'll do is we'll go to our terminal and we'll type touch and this symbol, which you can get from, this will be on your keyboard above the tab option, and you have to shift plus that and it's okay. So then slash template slash empty slash document space document, and this will create the new empty documents here, which will allow to create right click new document option available in all these folders. Okay, and this code I will put it down in the description so you can just copy and paste in your terminal. Okay, so now going back to our document folder Python, we'll create here a new document in which we'll write all our Python codes. Okay, so we'll open this and I will write here print bracket double inverted comma, this line will be executed double inverted comma close and bracket close. And now we'll save it as with the Python extension. Remember that if you won't save it with the Python extension, the code won't run. I will name this document as example1.py. make sure to name it as .py, which is the Python extension, and then we'll save it. Okay, so now you can see my code is here, print bracket double inverted comma, this line will be executed full stop double inverted comma and bracket close. Okay, so now we have to execute this file, this program Python, in our terminal. So we'll open our terminal, and first we have to open the folder here in which we have saved our Python file. So where I have saved my Python file is, you can see in documents Python. Okay, so now I will type here cd stands for change directory, and make sure to have the correct names including the capital letter of whatever you have written your this. Okay, and there won't be any spaces here. Okay, now enter. Now you can see we are in our directory. So now to execute our this example1.python, we'll write python 3 which is like we have the latest version installed in our Ubuntu, which is Python 3, so we'll use type Python 3. If you write Python or Python 2 instead, this line won't work, this command won't work. So Python 3, and name of our file was example1.py. So now you can see our code has been executed. This line will be executed, which was here, this one. Okay, so yeah, this is it, and from the next video we will move on to our more tutorials, the Python 3. Okay, so for now, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.